Ya betul stang yang second ground kita.
Open terrace garden, and another thing is around the building jogging track, sir. That is the most highlight issue in India, sir. But because around here, sir, here we can observe, sir, this is the entrance of the jogging track. From ground level to the jogging track will be started from jogging track, and to around the building it will rounds and it will comes down, sir.
Both the back ends are bucket seats anyway.
Okay.
And
Just this level.
Yeah,
just this level.
So they got 5,000. While the stands and the lighting will be ready in July,
By June, I think we should complete it, no? By July, we've got the lights. July was 1 night. So we're looking at like 1 July.
oh, I think with the short cable. This is the column.
Yes, sir.
This is the column.
So now we are at the third location, which is the indoor stadium that is coming up, a multi-purpose indoor stadium, which when completed will be the largest multi-purpose indoor stadium in the entire Northeast region. And this particular indoor stadium will have all facilities from basketball, indoor basketball, squash, badminton, multi-purpose halls for table tennis, volleyball. So all different kind of activities will be possible here, and most of the disciplines, when we combine all the three stadiums, we'll be able to see that we'll be able to cover most of the major disciplines that are there. And even with this very, very standard and state-of-the-art indoor stadium, we'll be able to in the future host national level tournaments as well as international level tournaments also. So the work is going on at full speed. Of course, the foundations are just being laid, as you can see, but this work will take a bit more time. So we do expect that this also will be completed soon, but I'm happy to see the progress of the work. And once these kind of infrastructures throughout the state come up, this will be a great blessing and an opportunity for the youth of our state who are very, very much into sports. And I'm hopeful that facilities like this
going on
will
in
give
the
them
polo in the first ground. As you can see that we have put the AstroTurf already, and final laying of other materials will be done, the granules and other rubber pieces that are put in. We expect that this entire work should be completed by July. And you can see that there will be also a new stand at the back that will be coming up. So we will see the expansion of the stadium. So this is a upgradation that's taking place. As we know that football is one of the sports that our youth are very much connected with, and hence in the long term we will also see more stands coming up on the other side, on the river side also of this field. But apart from that, the government has also decided that we are going to now start looking at different locality fields, different fields in different places, in different towns, different cities, where our youth normally play football. And in collaboration with the community and the the local leaders, we would want to upgrade these different facilities where our youth are playing. So we will see a large number. We are already serving in Shillong city itself. And we have identified about close to 5 locations where we could potentially lay this kind of AstroTurf. So that process also will start very soon.